Hello everyone, this is Nagashri Bharadwaj. Welcome to Athena Tutorials. I hope you all are doing great and I think you have watched my previous videos on the topic menstruation in my YouTube channel. If not, please watch, like, share and subscribe. And importantly, give me the feedback so I can improve in my upcoming videos because learning is a never-ending process. You can find the link in the bio or the description. Now let's come to the point. The reason behind doing this video is that there is an announcement, and the announcement is about my upcoming videos. I am planning to start a series and the name of the series is Day-to-Day Mathematics. Sounds interesting, right? Yes, every Sunday I will be posting the videos on different topics of mathematics which we use in our day-to-day life. For example, percentages, simple interest and compound interest. Whenever we go to the bank, we have lots of doubts about simple interest, compound interest, percentage, rate of interest, etc. I hope I'll clear all your doubts in this series, and also I'll be teaching basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. And if you want any other topics to be done, please comment. Every Tuesday and Friday, I'll be uploading videos for 8th, 9th and 10th standard students, and every Sunday I'll be uploading videos on day-to-day math series. My first day-to-day math series video will be uploaded on Feb 7th at 6 p.m. So let's meet on Feb 7th. Stay tuned. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.